So here at Delray Farms, our goal is we're trying to get people with disabilities out in the community to come here and learn what it means to work outside, but in a good, controlled environment. So here at the greenhouse, we have guys behind me that are planting seeds, picking lettuce, and they are learning what it means to be a farmer almost.
This is our self-contained special need class, and we get a chance to go out into the community and do job skills. So today we're blessed to be over at the greenhouse and getting a chance for our kids to get a chance to pick, plant, and clean. So with our self-contained class, we want to make sure our kids get a chance to get a work skill, and every day we go out every day to do work skills.
So we have guys out here that are cleaning trays, and that is a huge part of our system because for one, we have to make sure everything is sanitized. We have to make sure that it's clean, and whenever we finish picking a tray of lettuce, it has to be clean because if not, then old roots can damage and hinder the new lettuce from growing. So what we do is we have these wool pads that we put into black trays, and we plant the seeds in there and water the wool. And so what happens is that is the first step of germination. So these seeds will sit in this wool pad for about 2 weeks until they start to sprout. Once the lettuce is about 6 weeks to maybe 7, depending on how well it's growing. So what we do is we have to clip it at the root, and then we pick off any dead leaves that we see. So any dead leaves, bad leaves, anything that we do not want to sell, and that helps the lettuce look healthy.
It's a true blessing. Just giving Cody and them a call, and Cody always with an open hand saying, come on, whatever we got going on, you guys come and help us out with as well. So Tuscaloosa City Schools and UCP working together, it's just been a great thing.
So the profits and everything go to Delray Farms. Delray Farms is its own entity, its own business, but it is partnered with UCP because what it has done is they have hired our individuals to come work for them. So for example, I have Cordarius, who is behind me here, and he is one of the workers. He works here at Delray Farms helping me to pick lettuce, plant it, and he helps to clean the trays. He does everything that these guys are doing, but just me and him and a couple other workers we have.
For our kids, it's a chance for them to get that work skill, get a job skill, and go out when they leave high school in the next few years, they can go out and just be confident about going to get a job.
But our main goal is just making sure they have an experience that's unique to them and making sure that they experience something that a lot of people would never be able to without this program.